Hello students, good morning. How are you? Myself Deepak Zade. Today in this lecture we will solve problem of parallel force system. See how many forces are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All forces are vertical. That means what we'll do? We'll apply equation R equal to summation of Fy. We'll find out magnitude and direction of resultant. Once we'll get magnitude and direction of resultant, next step is what? Point of application of resultant. How will find out point of application of resultant? Will apply Varignon's theorem of moment. Varignon's theorem of moment means what? Is summation of moments of all forces about any point is equal to moment of resultant about same point. From that one easily we will find out what? Point of application means distance from say end A or maybe end B. Okay, chalo. So we start. First equation is what? R equal to summation of Fy. R equal to chi. This one is what? First equation जो है R is what? Summation of Fy assuming vertically upward force is positive. चलो 200 Newton downward है means what? Minus. Next is 500 upward, right? Next force क्या है? 350 downward means negative. Next is what? 150 upward means positive and plus 200 Newton. Now forces are in Newton, right? 200 से 200 मर गया, correct? 200 cancel. ये क्या हो जाएगा? -200, 500 minus 200, कुछ 300 आना चाहिए पॉजिटिव है ना, 300 न्यूटन. आंसर पॉजिटिव मीन्स व्हाट? अपवर्ड. चेक करो यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर, जस्ट गेट इट चेक व्हाट आई कैलकुलेटेड इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग. चेक दिस वन 200 गया, ये -200, 500 minus 200 means 300. क्लियर. Next step is what? Before applying Varignon's theorem, we'll find out sum of moment about left end A. Moment of 200 about point A is how much? 200 into 3 वगैरह नहीं आता है. Line of action of force passes through point A means moment is what? 0. When moment of any force becomes 0? If line of action of force passes through moment center, so it passes through point A, तो moment 0. Moment of 500 if you find out about point A upward है means this rod will rotate in what direction? Anti-clockwise means moment आएगा plus 500 plus 500. इंक ज़्यादा पिला दिया मैंने इसको, हाँ ठीक है चलो. प्लस 500 into what? 350. तो force is acting in downward direction, the rod will rotate in clockwise direction. Minus 350 into what distance? 4 plus 3 7, 7.5. Moment of 150 again anti-clockwise, तो 150 into ये 7.5 था प्लस 2.5 में 10 हो जाएगा ना. हाँ yes, it is what? 10, right? 2.5, 4.5, 7, 7 plus 3 10. Moment of 200 again anti-clockwise, 200 into what? So this one 10 plus 2 how much? Is 12. So how much will get sum of moment about this point A? About point A, what is the sum of moment? Chalo, calculate fast with me. 500 into A 1500 minus 350 into what? 7.5 plus 150 into 10 means 1500, I'll write, okay? And plus 2400. 200 into 12, right? How much? 2775 आना चाहिए. आ रहा है कि नहीं? 2775 and 2755 2 कितना है? 2775. Force is in Newton, distance meter, Newton meter. Answer positive means what? Anti-clockwise. Answer positive means anti-clockwise. That means sum of moment anti-clockwise है. You must get moment of resultant anti-clockwise. Now again I will draw diagram. Resultant means what? All forces will replace by single equivalent force. Means now single equivalent force. Direction is what? Upward. So I will represent here this as what? R equal to 300 Newton. Okay. and say this distance is what x. Now check direction of movement of resultant about A is what? Anti-clockwise. Sum of movement is what? This is very important. Whenever you will solve any problem of parallel or general force system, direction of sum of movement and direction of movement of resultant must be same. Now we'll apply what? We'll apply which theorem? Varignon's theorem. Which theorem? Varignon's theorem, right? Varignon's theorem of moments. Varignon's theorem of moments. क्या रहता है Varignon's theorem of moments? Summation of moments of all forces where at A you are taken, right? Taking anti-clockwise movement positive equal to what? Moment of resultant about A taking anti-clockwise movement positive. This is how much? 2775. Moment of resultant is what? R into x. R is what? 300 into x. X comes out to be 2775 divided by 300, means it is slightly less than 10 divided by 300. Check karo how much? 9.25 meter. Answer you must get what? 9.25 meters. Understood? Clear? Any doubt? एकदम सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, राइट? फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करेंगे? पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट. हाउ विल गेट पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट? अप्लाइंग Varignon's theorem of moments. Clear? चलो टाटा बाय बाय, सी यू अगेन.